So where we're at now is we're going to connect our comms cables. It's a full loop from the Vigilant monitor to sensor number 1 down there, all the way around, all the way back, sensor 61, back to the monitor. So if we zoom in down here on the monitor, I've already ran my 2 wires from the first and last sensor. If Eagle Eye's doing the install, we'll make all these cables on site. If you prefer, if you order a system and you're doing the install, we can discuss cable lengths and prefab these for you. However, it may be easier to, just get a longer amount of cable length and some connectors and make your own up, just in case your calculations aren't quite accurate. So on the bottom of the Vigilant here, there are 4 communications ports. Now, in this typical system, we only need 2, so it doesn't matter where you plug them in. I usually do the first plug on the far left going down to sensor 1. So this cable is ran down, around, and then down here, I have sensor 1. So before even energizing the system or powering on the Vigilant, I can plug this one in. And then what I've done is I've plugged in all of our other comms cables just into one side of the sensor. What you don't want to do is go through and plug them all in, because you're going to have to unplug them once you start the commissioning process on the computer. So here's sensor 61, there's my cable routed through in the back here, and then back to the monitor. Now I'm just going to wire one of these up to kind of show you how we do it. It's really not specific to any particular method. You're essentially just plugging into cables. But what we like to do, especially if you have unistrut like this, is just try to tuck it in there so that it's not hanging. Anything you can do to keep the cable organization tidy goes a long way. So just like that, our cables are tucked in the wire, in the unistrut here. And so I'm gonna go through and do the whole thing just like that. And when we're all done, you'll see that they're tucked in nicely. And that's how you wire your comms loop.